Hello and welcome to this IP integration demonstration video. In this video I'll be showing IP integration's very own Pauseable application which can be found on the Genesys Cloud App Foundry. This is an automated pause and resume which is recognized by the PCI, SSC and QSA globally. This software as a service solution is highly flexible, highly configurable. It's got massive integration capabilities to the client systems of all types and all ages. It can be launched on startup and connects directly to Genesys Cloud. Currently, we have over 25,000 agents globally within the finance, insurance, and retail and government sectors. And once inside the App Foundry, we just simply typing in pause. We find the Pauseable. So we click on the Pauseable, and here is the wealth of information regarding the Pauseable application by IP integration. You can see there's different screenshots, there's a brochure if you want, help documentation, and all you do is click Contact Us. Once you receive your downloaded client file, as you can see on screen, we just simply start to install this. So I go to my Pauseable client, double click on there, and you will now see that the Pauseable will start to install into my machine. I'm just going to use all the defaults here, so just clicking next, next and install, and you can see how quickly Pauseable is installed onto my system. So for me, I can now go into my C drive. I'm just going to show you where we locate all of the configuration files. You can see here that it's under program data, IP integration. I've already done all of my configuration. However, if you ever need any help, you can just simply reach out to IP integration and one of our developers or engineers will help you with this. We can now see that Pauseable is installed. So I go through the logging in process. I only need to do this once. So here I'm just logging into the organization. I'm putting in both my username and my password. And then I can click to say save these details. And on launch and startup of the machine, Pauseable will always log into my Genesys as me. You can see here that it's now waiting to record and I can see who's logged in. So it's Lisa Lowe for this particular demo. And now I'm going to place a call into my Genesys Cloud and we'll be able to see the Pauseable application working seamlessly. And here the call's now coming in, it's being answered, and straight away we see that the call is showing on the screen as being recorded, and also a banner at the bottom. This is in case the application has been hidden in the system tray. As you can see, every time that the trigger is being made, the call is being paused automatically and then resumes automatically as well. And due to the flexibility of the configuration of Pauseable, I can set several different trigger points. And these trigger points can be configured to use a website or a CRM application, payments page, or any other application of your choosing. The flexibility of the Pauseable application strikes the balance between the compliance, agent, and customer experience. And once the call is finished, Pauseable slots both call recording and screen capturing, and we can see it now waiting for the next voice contact, as shown in the taskbar. And if we now take a look at the interaction for this call, we can clearly see where the call was paused to take the payments. And lastly, Pauseable has its own monitoring URL, which can show information such as logged in agent, the amount of Pauseable clients running, last pause time, agents paused today, and agents paused in the last hour stats. Also shown are any errors that Pauseable may have had, showing any potential breaches to compliance. And that's the end of this video. If you would like further information on the features or enhancements that you've seen in this video, or you would like a full demonstration of the Genesys Cloud platform, please do not hesitate to contact IP Integration.